Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold prices rose and logged a fifth consecutive weekly rise as fears of further tit-for-tat retaliation between Iran and Israel triggered safe haven demand. The International Monetary Fund urged Asian central banks to focus on domestic inflation and avoid tying their policy decisions too closely to anticipated moves by the US Federal Reserve. Receding expectations for a near-term interest rate cut by the US Central Bank have fed steady dollar gains that have pushed down some Asian currencies. Russia remained China's top oil supplier in March as refiners snapped up stranded Surkol shipments. China's imports from Russia, including supplies via pipelines and seaborne shipments, jumped 12.5% on the year to 10.81 million metric tons, or 2.55 million barrels per day last month.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 14 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 10 GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence adjusted at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.